healed, not hardened. Letting go and trusting again, they broke your trust. Walked away when you needed them most. Said one thing, did another. And now, you flinch at closeness. You question loyalty. You carry the pain like armor, thinking it protects you. But here's what pain doesn't tell you. Healing doesn't mean hardening. It means feeling again, trusting again, loving again. And that is terrifying. Because the wound still whispers, don't let anyone get too close. But God never intended for your heart to turn cold in the name of self-protection. He's not calling you to build walls, He's calling you to let Him rebuild you. Because healing is not pretending it didn't hurt. It's saying, yes, it hurt, but it won't define how I love. It won't control how I trust. It won't limit who I become. God never promised people wouldn't disappoint you, but He did promise He'd never leave you. He did promise that forgiveness sets you free. He did promise that you don't have to carry this alone. Jesus was betrayed, yet He still loved, still healed, still extended grace. And if you've been guarding your heart so tightly you can't feel anymore, this is your reminder. God didn't bring you this far to make you numb. He brought you through it to make you whole. Letting go isn't weakness. It's strength. It's saying, I choose freedom over fear. I choose healing over bitterness. I choose to be whole, not hard. Yes, protect your peace, but don't shut out love. Yes, learn from the pain, but don't let it change your softness. Because the world doesn't need more hardened hearts. It needs healed ones. Hearts that can rise from betrayal and still believe in love. Hearts that know the risk of trust and still say, I'll try again. You were made to feel deeply, to love bravely, to live fully, not to forget what happened, and that starts with letting go, but to be free from it. Let them go. Let the pain go. Let the shame go. And trust again, because God's not finished. He's still writing your healing story. You're not bitter. You're not broken. You're just becoming healed, not hardened.